Hey there, crazy kids. I am the Good Old Gamer, and I've had a few requests to show you guys how to install the mods that I have specifically into Minecraft, because that's the only mods I've ever installed. But let's just jump right into it. First things first, this is going to be for Windows. Quick and easy installing for Windows. If you have a Mac, I can't help you. You're going to have to look elsewhere for instructions. I'm sure there are plenty of videos on YouTube showing you how to install mods for Minecraft for Macintosh, but I only have Windows. So anyways, I'll include a link in the description of this video to where you can get all of the mods that I use and I've had experience with. And included in that list is the TFC Mod Manager, which is the program I use to install the mods. And it's really quick and easy, and it's got a good user interface, and you don't have to go into the Minecraft folders. You don't have to do all the manual installations. It's really quick and easy. So let's go ahead and get started. Before we use the TFC Mod Manager, I'm going to show you guys how to use the MC Patcher in case you want to use either high resolution textures, texture packs I should say, or you want to use maybe some special water animations for the Painterly texture pack, which is the reason why I use the MC Patcher. Let's go ahead and use this first because I've had some experiences with putting in all these mods where if you use the patcher after you use the mod manager, then it doesn't want to work. So let's just go ahead and use it first. Get that out of the way. It'll ask you if you want to run it. Run it. And it'll give you these options right here. It should do all of this stuff automatically. If it doesn't, you'll have to go look for your specific Minecraft stuff, but it should do it just automatically. I install both of these HD texture support and HD font support, even though the only thing I use this for is for water animations for Painterly pack. But just in case I ever want to use a higher resolution pack at some point in the future, I can. I don't install the Better Grass thing because it adds sides of grass to the dirt grass blocks, which is only going to be effective for default texture packs. So I'm not going to bother with that, but yeah. So just make sure that these two are checked. At least make sure that this one's checked for sure. But you might as well include this one as well. And then all you got to do is patch. And that's it. Now for me, like I said, I use the Painterly pack, customized Painterly pack, which is just a regular 16 by 16 resolution pack. It's not high resolution or anything, but I've included some the options for the special water animations, the special graphics that you can get with the Painterly pack that requires the MC Patcher, so that's why I use it. And I'll just show it to you guys real quick. Play. Let's see if I can find some water. Yeah, right here. I've shown this in my previous Grooving with Minecraft video where I showed you guys the mods. But this water right here is why I have the MC Patcher. It's the only reason why I have the MC Patcher. But if you're using a high resolution texture pack, you'd have to use it too. But that's why. Alright, so now that we got that done, and you notice the game ran just fine using MC Patcher, that was another reason why I showed you guys that, is to test that out for you. Let's get back here to the desktop. Now let's get into the meat and bones of the matter with the mods. First thing you're going to want to do if you want quick and easy mod installation, I cannot recommend this program any more than I possibly can say. The TFC Mod Manager. Like I said, link will be included in the description to get it. And once you have it, run it. It'll ask you to register. I guess it's so it can remember your library of mods and other things. I've already done that, so I can log in. What you want to do is, so you can make your own mods here if you're into that technical stuff. I'm not. But go to the library. This is where you're going to be able to get your mods installed. And so let's just minimize this for now. And right here is the folder that I've downloaded all these mods into. They're all zip files. So that's one thing you want to make sure of when you're going through the forums and you're looking for different mods. Make sure the ones you are downloading are zip files if you're going to use the TFC Mod Manager, because it doesn't use the RAR files, the RAR files. And according to TFC, the guy that made the manager, he says it's never going to be able to work with the RAR files. So yeah, make sure they're zip files. It helps to make sure that the mods on the mod threads and stuff themselves say that they work with TFC Mod Manager, but some of these never said that. They just are zip files and they happen to work. So it's just going to have to be a trial and error for you. Any of these mods directly from my list, from the link in the description that you get, will work with TFC Mod Manager. I've already tested it out. And I'll show you guys here. I'll install all these mods quick and easy. So let's go back here, and we'll want to go to the green button, which is Add Mod. And you have to look up in your wherever you set your mods at. I put them in a folder on the desktop. So right here is a button to the desktop. And right here is GOG's MC Mods. And here's all of the mods that I have for the game right here. And first mods you're going to want to install, plain and simple, are going to be the mod loader. And I like to do these first few individually here. Mod loader first. And then we'll have to go back. And then you want the audio mod. These are prerequisites for a lot of these other mods. These are, the mod loader especially is a prerequisite for a crap ton of mods. Almost every other mod out there has to have the mod loader these days. And then if you're going to install Mo Creatures, you're going to want a third prerequisite program, and that one is right here, the GUI API. So you're going to want to install these three first. Just plain and simple. Just get them installed first, no matter what you're doing. If you don't need the GUI API mod if you're not installing a mod like Mo Creatures that requires it, but you're pretty much going to need these other two, almost guaranteed. So just click install, and this will come up if this is the first time you've run the program. Are you on an Apple computer? This means a Mac. I am not, so I click no. Make sure you're using an unmodified Minecraft.jar on your first run, because this is, if you ask this program later to reset Minecraft to delete the mods and stuff, it has to use this first one, so it needs a unmodified Minecraft thing. We are. And all done. 3 mods are installed, so these are all installed in Minecraft. Now what I suggest you do is run Minecraft again and log in. And that's all you need to do at this point, is just to make sure it loads into this. I've had some experiences trying to get these mods installed where it'll black screen before it gets here. So that's basically the test, just to make sure the mods are working, is just to get to this point, and then you can close out for now. Now, once you have these prerequisites installed, if you're just installing the mods that I have, any of the mods that I have listed from the link in the description, from this point on, if it's just those, then go back to the folder where they're in, and you can select all of the rest of them. I use Control to select the ones that I haven't installed yet already. Now I suggest the first time you try this out, especially if you're brand new to installing mods into Minecraft, that you do these individually. You put one in the list, you click install, you run Minecraft, you make sure it works. But I've already done that, and I know that all of these work, so I'm just going to install them all. Oops, I'm going to have to select them all again, ain't I? And they'll all show up here. And then you install. And like I said, if you haven't done this before, go ahead and install each of these one by one. Run Minecraft, make sure they work, and then install the next one. If only because every computer is different, so you need to make sure it's going to be able to run on your system to begin with. But I know that these all run on my system. I've had them all installed already. I've already made a video with all of these mods installed. I've just uninstalled them and now I'm reinstalling them for you guys. So I know that they're going to work, so I don't have to really worry about it too much. But there's 20 mods installed now, because we have the mod loader, audio mod, GUI, API mod, careful creeper, Coco, death chest, mo creatures, inventory tweaks, lag spikes of death, which is another mod that I forgot to include in the previous video where I was showcasing mods, but it's another part of the Optimine mod. It's just a little lag fix thing. I never really had too much issues with lag in the first place, but I saw it there and I was like, I better get it just in case. No lag is better than more lag. There's minor trivia. This is the lizards and crocodiles. More stackables, multi-use doors, Optimime, pig mounts, the controllable pig mounts. Shelf, single player commands, squirrels, torches anywhere, and the Nico Cats mod. So they're all installed. Should be good to go. We'll run Minecraft, and this will be the test when we log in, see if there's a black screen or not. And it finally loaded. It took a minute there to load because this is the first time this brand new Minecraft file loaded them all in. So there you go. It's running, and we'll put it on here. This is the world I was, this is the world I was in the previous Grooving with Minecraft video where I showed all the mods before. We'll play it. And there, right there, you can see dolphins out there. You can see the fish are stacked. We'll test out, eat a few fish, and you'll see the new one drops right in. So inventory tweaks is working. I'm not going to show them all to you again, but this is just a few tests to show you that the mods are installed and working just fine. We'll do single player commands. You can see that notice up there about single player commands already. Spawn list. Somebody said to use this to see which creatures you can spawn. Is there squirrels in here? Squirrels! It's probably in here and I'm not seeing it. I want to be able to see if I can spawn a squirrel or not. Polar bear, wild wolf, deer, fox. Anyways, savannah, grizzly, cowgirl, lace, bird, croc. Well, that's how you spawn a crocodile, huh? Shark egg. You can spawn a shark egg, apparently. Shark, werewolf, pig, dolphin, sheep, squid, wolf, crow, pig zombie, ghast, chicken, zombie, slime, monster, creeper, spider, giant, skeleton, cave ogre, fire ogre, ogre, boar, bear, duck, Big cat horses. Maybe squirrel mod isn't working. I might have to just uninstall that. I'm not seeing it. I could just be blind. Fox, deer, llama. That's weird. I'm not seeing it. Whatevers. Anyways, that's single player commands. And I'm pretty sure all the other mods are working. Except I guess the squirrel mod isn't working. Let's go ride this pig. If the controllable pig mounts are working, we should be able to control the pig. And I can control the pig. Jump, jump, 360, so on and so forth. So, mods are working quick and easy. All it takes is TFC Mod Manager. Make sure your mods are zip files to begin with, and it helps if they say that they're compatible with TFC Mod Manager. But even if they don't say it, if they're a zip file, put it into the Mod Manager, and if it doesn't work, if it black screens or you can't get the mod to work in Minecraft, all you have to do is, let's get out of here. All you have to do is select the mod, whichever one you want to select, like here, and then click delete mod, the red button right here, and it'll delete it right off of Minecraft for you, so you don't have to worry about it. And when you're installing these mods for the first time, you install one, you check Minecraft. If it works great. If it doesn't work, just come back here, select it, delete it. That's all you have to do, quick and easy. And that's it. If you're into making mods, you can make your own mods, and then you can upload them if you want to the mods section of this. I wouldn't use this area. Click here, load list. It'll give you a list of mods, but as of yesterday anyway, all the mods were outdated. They were for 1.501 or whatever from the last update. They weren't for 1.6 yet listed in here. And now they're not even loading. So I wouldn't even worry about the mod section. But this part is handy, the library, so you can install your own downloaded mods. So there you go. That's how you install mods with the TFC Mod Manager. That's how you install the mods I use anyway. I can't give you guys too much experience with any other mods because I don't have them and I've never used them, but these mods for sure that I've linked in the description of this video all work with TFC Mod Manager, and they work quick and easy. You shouldn't have any problems. Now, like I said, you need to install the mod loader, the audio mod, and if you're going to use the Mo Creatures mod, you need to install the GUI API mod first. Make sure they're installed first, and then you can install the rest of these mods. The mod loader and the audio mod are prerequisites for a lot of these mods, especially the mod loader. And then the GUI API mod is a prerequisite for Mo Creatures right there. So there you go. You will black screen if you install Mo Creatures without the GUI API mod. You will, because I've done it before. I kept wondering why I couldn't get Mo Creatures to work, and it was because I didn't have the GUI API mod. So there you go. Anyways, that should be it. If you guys have any questions, or if I wasn't clear enough on this, just let me know. I can always make another video or reply to you guys in the comments. But that's what I use to get mods for Minecraft. Quick and easy. No problems whatsoever. So thanks for watching, boys and girls. I'm the Good Old Gamer. That's been a guide to install Minecraft mods for Windows systems. I have Windows Vista, but this should work just fine for Windows 7 and whatever else. Like I said, if you have a Macintosh, I can't help you, and I'm sorry. You'll have to look elsewhere for guides for that. Anyways, bye for now.